Neighbors are a special kind of relationship. Some neighbors you may see almost daily or nearly never. You may speak to them frequently or not have the opportunity. Neighbors are part of the community that surrounds us, and while so close in proximity, often not so close in relationship beyond a smile or wave. That is, if they acknowledge your wave or they just drive or walk by ignoring you. Respecting everyone's privacy and right to enjoy their personal life often shapes interactions. Some relationships are contentious in nature. Living near others who are difficult to get along with is challenging. Keeping our focus on what is most important helps us to make the best of a trying situation. When asked what the greatest commandment of all is, Jesus replied in Mark 12:30-31, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind, and with all your strength. The second is this, love your neighbor as yourself. There is no commandment greater than these." So, there we have it. The words simply speak what we are to do, and yet the commandment is so difficult. Scripture gives us clarity over perplexing neighbor situations that can arise, or when a neighbor decides to have it their way. Great advantage is sometimes taken of families when they are new in an area and want to make friends, not enemies. Do they risk saying no? If someone appears to be successful with a comfortable lifestyle, uninformed assumptions may be made that you have enough, and you'll never miss something small as this thing someone else wants to take from them or you. When the idea or request is presented to the one who has the most to lose, is always put on the spot. How embarrassing. What to say? What to do if it's after the fact and the deed was done without asking first? It can be hard to say no in cases like this. It's very uncomfortable, even when you're in the right. Many of us grew up with an understanding of the golden rule, a precept based on Matthew 7:12, which says, "Therefore, whatever you want others to do for you, do also the same for them. For this is the law and the prophets." As children, we may have come to know it in a shortened form. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. This ethical principle applies to how we conduct ourselves as we interact with others and how we should treat those we are in relationship with. The golden rule is often considered to be a fundamental principle of ethical conduct. It is a rule that defines a Christian's duty to their neighbor. Can you relate to any of the neighbor inquiries and issues I shared in this video? How will you handle challenging neighbor relationships and problems? I believe you can address challenging neighborhood problems and build healthy relationships with those who are caring. Keeping the focus as we should and addressing them as the Bible instructs us is the most effective way. For more information dealing with hurtful people and painful relationships and about living with grace, I've linked some videos and real-life resources for you below. Friend, I hope this video encourages you. Be sure to hug the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next drop in this series and others. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.